Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alia Fatma Farihati. I'm from Biology Education from Class A. My number ID is A4-2021-0036. I will present the means of wildlife preservation, especially rare animals extinction. Indonesia is number one in terms of wealth of mammals, 515 species, and a habitat for more than 1539 bird species. As many as 45% of the world's fish live in Indonesia. Indonesia is also a habitat for endemic, which natural animal species means that they inhabit the territory of Indonesia and make Indonesia have characteristics that cannot be found in other regions. According to IUCN 2013, the endemic mammals in Indonesia is 259 species, followed by 384 birds and 173 amphibians. Currently, according to IUCN 2011, the number of Indonesian wildlife species that are threatened with extinction are 184 species of mammals, 119 species of birds, 32 species of reptiles, and 32 species of amphibians. Furthermore, according to IUCN 2013, the total Indonesian animal species that are critically endangered are 69 species. Endangered category is 197 species and vulnerable category is 539 species. Any example of endangered wildlife species? For mammals types, there are orangutan, one-horned rhinoceros, Sumatran tiger, and anua. For types of birds, there are peacock, Javanese eagle, maleo, and bird of paradise. For reptile types, there are Komodo dragon, road turtles, hawksbill turtles, and Siamese crocodiles. And the last for amphibian types. Apart from being a reptile type, the Siamese crocodiles is also an endangered amphibian type. Then there's Javan torrent frog, red frog, and Bornean rainbow toad. As for the causes of endangered Indonesian wildlife, first, habitat loss and destruction. Second, hunting and trading of wildlife. Preserve Indonesian wild animals carried out based on the principle of conservation, both in situ and ex situ protection. On in situ protection, it has been regulated in Law Number 5 of 1990 concerning conservation of biological natural research and their ecosystems, which states that in situ conservation is carried out in conservation areas that have been determined by the government. This conservation is intended to absolutely protect the conservation area as a habitat for animals in addition to being intended for the preservation and sustainable use of the natural research that exists in the area. For ex situ conservation efforts which in fact are protection outside the conservation area or outside their natural habitat captive institution are referred to as a means of preserving endangered wildlife. The example of in situ conservation is nature preserve, wildlife reserve, and national parks. For example of ex situ conservation is a zoo, such as building a safari park. Conservation that can be done by the community. There are giving support to conservation efforts, reporting people who damage the environment, reporting people who hunt wildlife, making do nots and warning birds, avoiding endangered animal transaction, and making captivity. In my opinion, the preservation of wild animals, especially for endangered species, is that the government should balance conservation areas with existing animal species and carry out breeding programs for these animals so that their population are maintained.